Keith Inland here with Beck's Hybrids Practical Farm Research at our Central Illinois location. And today we're getting ready to do a ground versus drone fungicide study. And so we have Brad Zimmerman here with his company Seedonomy, and this is his DJI T40. Now that 40 stands for the 40 liters of chemical or liquid that it can hold. And so with this, he can get a spray pattern up to 30 foot. But you're probably saying, hey, Keith, this drone isn't 30 foot wide. How's he getting that? Well, and also, there's no nozzles like my sprayer has. How's he spraying that out? It's actually really interesting. That was my first question to Brad. And he said that this is the pump right here. It's a rotary dispersion where it just slings out the chemical right there, and then it uses the downdraft of the drone to disperse the chemical out in a 28 to 32 foot width. Now, since we have 15-foot research, we've put replications together, and we're going to run 30 foot. So we'll spray 2 treatment passes with 1 drone pass. We're really excited for this study, and hopefully you can come out and see it for yourself here with a private PFR tour later in the year, or maybe come to our field show and hear us talk about it.